Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing a house. Let's draw with me. First, I am drawing the roof of the house. Then a straight line for a front of the house. Let's draw a stair. Let's draw a door. Now I am drawing a heart on a door. Let's draw a window in the front of the house. Let's draw the window's door. My house is very big. In my house has a 3 room, 1 kitchen, 2 washroom and a big ground. Let's draw a full house. I am drawing the back of the house and its roof. I am drawing a window. I am drawing another window. Let's color with me. Red color. Hope you like our video. Orange color. I am coloring in ventilator, light blue color. I am coloring in window, light blue color. I am coloring in window, 2 windows. I am coloring in heart, red color. I am coloring in door, dark blue color. I am coloring in window door, light green color. I am coloring a yellow color in front of the house. I am coloring a purple color into down of the house. I am coloring an orange color in back of the house. Yellow color outer of the window. I am coloring a colorful roof, dark blue color. Dark green color in a second layer. Dark purple color in a third layer. Red color in the down of the house. Ta-da! It's done. It's looking so nice. Purple color.
Subscribe us for more videos.